Papa up in the house, yeah man. Headed to Dalton, Georgia for the Time to Shine car show. So if you're enjoying the content, go ahead and put a thumbs up on it. And if you like what I'm doing on the channel, go ahead and subscribe. So check out this video, yeah man. Demo? Huh? Get a demo?
Yeah, man.
All right. That's what we like, demos.
Yeah, sure.
Man, tell us what you got in here, man.
I
think I've seen
three
this one before.
DS18 EXL 12s, dual 4s, running at 0.7 on a Incriminator IA 20.1, running off of these two cheap batteries.
You were at the high voltage show, were you?
It's the first show I've ever been to.
No?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Good deal, man.
I'm just figuring out this thing.
Oh yeah, I have this one, yeah.
I should have ripped some songs onto a smaller...
yeah, there's a bunch of them on there, man. It's really hard to get to all of it, too.
DJ Rusticles. Competition lanes will never be the same.
Appreciate that, man. Thanks for the demo.
Yes,
what's your name again?
Brian.
Brian. Nice to meet you, man. I'm Papa T.
Nice to meet you, Papa.
All right, you too, man.
V2 on MD8K.
Uh-oh, Brazilian getting ready to take over today, guys. Look at there. What's the sub again?
Crossfire XS V2.
Okay.
It's about 6 years old.
Did you build a box?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
About 6 cubes.
So you know it stars back there, right?
Yes, sir. Group 3100s.
What you got under the hood there?
Brand X 270 amp.
Okay. All right, I'd love to hear it, man. It's been a while since I've had to step up in a vehicle, and I'm old.
It does all right.
Everybody on my channel always says, man, you always grunt when you're climbing vehicles. But this one, guys, he got some step bars.
It does all right for a single 18. I just metered a 146.6 at 38 hertz.
Yeah. About to give us the business.
Bottoms up.
pretty loud. That's 118, son?
Single 18.
How many watts again? That's an MD.
It's an MD8K,
Okay.
but I clamped 4,900 out of it.
Wow. Man, that's nice, man. That's
I'm wired at a half ohm, but I'm rising to about 2.
that's what's up, man. I appreciate that demo, man. What's your name?
I'm Eddie.
Eddie. All right, man. Papa T.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you, man.